I think it's a yes, but I don't think AI is going to replace coaches, nor do I think it should. So my analogy is it's a bit like comparing Netflix and cinema. So Netflix was
Mhm.
really, really good at democratizing entertainment in a really accessible way for people. But that doesn't mean people don't still want to go see the latest like Martin Scorsese film at the cinema. They're different things. And I think there is still going to be huge amounts of value in human and very human connected coaching. The question then is, what is the role of AI coaching? I think it's going to be really valuable in democratizing development, right? Making support, structure, accountability available for people at scale. The human coaching is still really anchored in that deeper exploration and empathy and transformation. So the opportunity is how we connect the two. So do you start the coaching journey with humans and build that journey and build that understanding of where you want to go? And then AI helps keep that alive. And so you do the check-ins, maintain accountability, keep people on track, reinforcing goals. AI is not going to be Scorsese, right? Like it's not going to be in that cinema level, but it can make coaching available to more people in a more affordable and accessible way. And I think that's really, really important, really valuable.